This is an easy English story about winter. Listen and improve your English.
My favorite season is winter. I like winter because of the freezing cold and the soft white snow. My friends and I spend a lot of time outdoors. We often have snowball fights. It's so much fun. We sometimes make a big snowman in the garden. It's hard work, but we laugh a lot. The snowman looks happy. In the evening, we sometimes go ice skating. I can't skate well, but my friends are there to help me. Just a couple of skating lessons, and I skate like a pro. We often go sledding down the hill. It's really exciting. You should try it. On weekends, we go skiing in the mountains. The mountains are awesome, and the view is great. I usually take some selfies on the mountaintop. I share them on Instagram every week.
Smile for the camera.
The snow is cold, but fun. I lie in the snow and make a snow angel. At home, I drink hot chocolate with marshmallows. When it's really cold outside, I stay in and listen to music all day. I usually paint pictures in my studio. In winter, I always paint snowy mountains and trees. My cat likes watching me paint. He is really into art. I think I should take him to the mountains one day. What I love most about winter is Christmas time. I just love shopping for Christmas gifts for my friends. I always make sure each friend gets a special gift. On Christmas Eve, I decorate the Christmas tree. Look how beautiful it is now.
I am decorating the Christmas tree. See you tonight.
In the evening, I cook a delicious Christmas dinner. I always roast turkey for Christmas. My parents come and help me with the cooking. They're really nice. I sit at the Christmas table with my family and friends. We enjoy the dinner and drink champagne. At midnight, I always go out to watch the stars. I sometimes see Santa's reindeer in the starry sky. Do you like my winter story? Like and subscribe to get more.